my next video, I'd like to do one on widgets and stacks. We'll go ahead and go over both of those. And specifically, I'm using the Galaxy Samsung S24 Ultra, soon to be S25 Ultra in the next week or so. But this will work on probably any phone up to the 22 and up, and any One UI 6, One UI 6.1.1. I'm on the One UI 7.0 Beta 3, but this is something that's been around for a little while. And let's just dive right in here. It's called widgets. So a widget, first off, let me show you how you make them. There's several ways. You can pinch the screen, and then we go to widgets at the bottom. Okay, and they're basically shortcuts on your desktop for all kinds of things. So there's all kinds of what we can do. You can do Apple Music, battery, calendar, camera, all these that are on here we have. Now, some of these may be different because I'm on One UI 7. So if I keep scrolling down, there's more. And I want to do one that's kind of a neat one. And I know this one is unique to One UI 7.0 Beta 3. And that's called Suggested Apps. So they will actually suggest apps that you use the most. Okay, so I'm going to do a 4x1. That's obviously it's 4 across by 1. And I'm going to tap Add. Okay, so now it's at the top, and I can move the handles to bring it all the way over and tap on the background. So there we have it. So these are my my 4 most used apps. So we can tap and hold it and go into settings, and I can change the background. I can exclude apps, so I can pick certain apps I don't want to ever show up there. Notification access I have off, so we can have notifications on that. Match the phone setting of light or dark, and then of course the transparency. You can make it completely transparent that you can't see it, or we'll just leave it like it is. Now, that's how you do a widget. So here's the part 2 to the widget and making a stack. So let's go ahead and tap on it again, and we'll say create stack. So a stack is exactly what it says. You can stack, I'm honestly not sure how many on top of one another, and you can just scroll between them all right there. Okay, so let's do battery. I use that a lot, and there's a 4x1 on the battery. Let's add that. So now we can scroll to the left. There's our 4. We can scroll to the right. There's our batteries I have. Scroll again, it goes back to the most common used apps. So let's go ahead and do one more. So we'll edit stack. Oops, I didn't want to edit stack. I wanted to create. Yeah, I do. Edit stack. Okay, so now we want to add, here we go. So now this is how you add another one after you've created one. So let's do something with the weather, because I'm always looking at my weather. So here's another 4x1. And again, you don't have to have them all 4x1. You can make it like a 2x1 and do it. Obviously, you can't go like a 4x2 and put it in a 4x1 slot. It's just common sense there. So we'll go ahead and add this 4x1 in. We'll add it. Okay, there it is. So now we have the original one we did. Then we have the battery. Then we have the weather, which, yeah, it's going to be cold here, -5. Anyway, but you can, and then you can take this and move it around. You can make, I like to put it at the top of the screen because my widgets I just like at the top, but you can put it on any screen you want. You can move it around, you can resize it. So it's a very powerful thing, the widgets, for the Android devices. It's not anything like another device that I won't say. But anyway, that's how you do stacks, widgets with stacks. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.